Sam can complete a job in 20 days while working alone. Okay. Mohit is twice as fast as Sam and thrice as fast as Aina in the same job. They undertake a job with an arrangement where Sam and Mohit work together on the first day, Sam and Aina work on second day, Mohit and Aina work on the third day, and this 3-day pattern is repeated till the work gets completed. Then the fraction of the total work done by Sam is, okay. Now let's do one thing here. Let's see the efficiency, right? Efficiency. So there are 3 persons, Sam S, I am writing Mohit as M and Aina as A, right? Okay. Now Mohit is twice fast as Sam and thrice as Aina, right? Okay. So let's say Aina is 1, okay. Then Mohit is twice as fast as Sam, right? So Mohit is, just 1 minute. So Mohit is, you see, so Mohit is, Mohit's efficiency is, Mohit is twice as fast as Sam. Mohit is double up Sam and thrice as Aina. So let's say Mohit's efficiency is 6, a multiple of 2 and as well as multiple of 3. Let's say Mohit is 6. Mohit's efficiency is 6. That means Mohit is doing 6 units of work per day, right? Now Mohit is twice as fast as Sam. So Sam is doing 3 units of work per day, and Mohit is thrice as fast as Aina. So this will be 2, right? So this is their efficiency. We can take this as the efficiency, right? Okay. Now Sam can complete the total work in 20 days, okay, working alone. So working alone, what is the efficiency of Sam? 3. So every day Sam is doing 3 units of work every day. So 20 days will do 20 into 3 works. That is the total work. So total work is 20 into 3. Let's say total work is 60. I mean, this is the total work 60, right? Now they undertake a job in arrangement, then Sam and Mohit work on the first day. So first day Sam and Mohit are working, right? S plus M. S is doing 3 units of work, M is doing 6 units. So first day 9 units of work is done, right? Second day, what is happening? Second day S and A, Sam and Aina is working, right? S and A, right? Second day S and A. So that is second day S plus A are coming. That is 3 plus 2, 5 units of work is done on the second day. And Mohit and Aina, so M plus A. Third day M plus A, they are working. M is 6, A is 2. So 6 plus 2, that is how much work is done? 8 units. So if you see, the same arrangement is continuing. That means for every 3 days, this 3 days, every 3 days, how much work is done? 9 plus 5, 14 plus 8, 22 units of work is done in 3 days. So you see, in 3 days, 22 units of work is done, okay. Total work is 60, we can go with multiple of 22. So again in next 3 days, I mean in the 6 days, again 22 work will be done. So 44, right. This is the first 3 days, the next 3 days, okay. And the question is, then what fraction of total work is done by Sam? So you see, in the first 3 days, Sam must have come on the first and second day. This is 2 days here, right? In the next 3 days, 4, 5, 6, 4th and 5th Sam has come. I mean Sam has come. So 2 days here, right? Now how much work is done? 44. Okay, still 16 units of work is left, right? So on the 7th day, again these 2 people will come, right? S and M. They will do 9 units of work. And how much work is left? 60 minus 44, that is 60, 9 is done. 8th day again S and A will come, right, okay. Sorry, S and A, yeah. So, that will be again here how much work? 5, okay. Now, 2 more units of work are left, that will be done on the 9th day. 9th day who will come? M plus A, right, M plus A, right. So, that means 2 units of work, and they will not take whole day because they will take 2 by 8 days, right. Anyway, we do not need this calculation. So, here you see first 3 days Sam came 2 days, right, okay. In the next 3 days again Sam came 2 days, 7th day Sam has come 1 day here, and 8th day again 1 day here. So, total Sam came on 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, right, 6 days, right, 6 days. So, Sam came 6 days, right, 6 days, and every day he did how much work? He is doing 3 units of work. So, total work he did is 6 into 3, 18. Okay, 18 units of work was done by Sam, and what is the total work? That is 60. So, divide by 60. So, it will go 10 times. So, total work is done is 3 by 10th. So, 3 by 10th is the answer for this question. I hope this is clear, right. So, 3 by 10 answer.